Learn to make good decisions for yourself. Hey, listen up. Let's talk about something that shapes your entire life. Your decisions. Yes, those small, everyday choices, and the big, life-changing ones too. The quality of your decisions determines the quality of your life, but let me ask you this. How do you make your decisions? Is it based on impulse, fear, pressure from others, or do you have a strategy, a clear mind, a strong focus on what's truly right for you? Well, today, we're diving deep into how you can learn to make the best decisions for yourself. Decisions that align with your goals, your values, and your future. Think about this. Every single thing you do today, every yes, every no, is building your tomorrow. You decide what to study, where to work, who to spend time with, and even how to spend your free time. But here's the kicker. Most people don't even realize why they're making the choices they make. They follow trends, they listen to others, and worst of all, they let fear run the show. But not you. You're here because you want more. You're here because you want to take control of your choices. And that's powerful. It's not about being perfect. It's about being intentional. Let's break this down a little. Every decision you make involves two things, your emotions and your logic. Here's the trick. Emotions get loud. They scream at you in the moment, but logic is quiet. It whispers. The best decisions are made when you can balance the two, when you feel and think at the same time. Now, here's something to remember. Your brain loves comfort. It doesn't want change. So when you're faced with a tough decision, your brain might try to talk you out of it. Oh, don't try that. It's too risky. Just stay where you are. It's easier. Sound familiar? You have to push past that voice. You have to dig deeper. All right, let's get practical.